Hey guys, welcome to Tools in 2, where we create tool reviews in 2 minutes or less. Today we're looking at the Fireball tool 1/4-inch magnetic spacer blocks. Now these are used for setups and fixturing when you're doing some welding projects. Could be single use, could be something you're going to do repeatedly, but you want to have a precise setup. These work really well for that. They're precision ground, in this case 1/4-inch, with a couple of neodymium magnets on there so you can set things up. The nice thing with having 4 of these, you stack them all together. I got a solid inch. If I need 3/4, ½ inch, or just a 1/4, I can mix and match accordingly. Now the other cool thing you can do with these when you're setting pieces up is if you combine them with the 1, 2, 3 blocks, I've done another video on these, you can add them together, and now I've got 3 1/4, 3 1/2, etc. I can mix and match these to get whatever distance I need from 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch tall, and now I can go any increment of a 1/4 inch. Now Jason does these as several different sizes. With 1/4 inch, I can go down to that, but if I want to go any thinner, I have to stack other materials in to get that spacing. Once in a while, that's handy. For most stuff I do, 1/4 inch increments is just fine. Yeah, a little expensive, but these are lifetime tools. These are precision made. As long as you take care of them, just a little wipe down once in a while when you're done, you're good to go. They're going to last. Give them a 10 out of 10 for the versatility. And I love that he precision made them to use with the 1, 2, 3 blocks as well. That's a great combo.